Hey Bailey, it's Miss Ashton. Do not stress about math. It'll be okay. All right, so I'm going to show you some problems on the whiteboard here to try to help you a little bit get through the math. I want you to just focus on that lesson 1. Don't worry about the lesson 2 with the mixed fractions, the mixed numbers, and multiplying it by a fraction until you get the first step. Okay? All right, so if your whole number, let's say, is 2, and you're multiplying it by a fraction, let's say you're doing 2 and you're multiplying it by 4, 6. First thing that you need to know is the denominator is going to stay the same. Okay? Your denominator is going to be 6. 6 is not going to change no matter what. Now, you can rewrite this because we know that multiplication is also repeated addition. So we could rewrite it and say, oh, well, we have 2 groups, and in each group we have 4 6, right? So I could write 4 6 in here, and I can write 4 6 in here. And I know if I add them together, we don't add the denominator, so the denominator stays the same. So then what is 4 plus 4? Well, 4 plus 4 is 8. So we have 8 6. Mommy. So 8 6, we know we can't leave it like this because it's an improper fraction. So what we're going to do is, how many times can 8 go into 6? Well, it can only, how many times can 6 go into 8? 6 can only go into 8 one time. So it can go in one full time. So we can take 8 6 and subtract 6 6. What are we left with? We're left with 2 6. So you subtract it one whole, and that's where this 1 comes from. And this 2 6 then is what's left over. Okay? So there's one way of doing it. Another way of doing it is using the, and we'll use the same problem again, using a model. So again, we have 4 6. Well, I'm going to break my 2 apart. If I break 2 apart, I break it into 1 and 1, because 1 plus 1 equals 2. So I have one model that is broken into 6, because 6 is my denominator. 4 of those is shaded in. Okay? Then I have another one, so this represents 1 times 4 6. Then I have another model that is broken into 6, and 4 6 is shaded. And that is representing 1 times 4 6. Okay, so 1 times 4 6 equals 4 6. 1 times 4 6 equals 4 6. Then I add them together. Well, that's what we just did. We just did 4 6 plus 4 6, which is going to equal 8 6. Sorry, my handwriting's kind of messy because I'm trying to do this upside down a little bit. All right, so then we have 8 6. Well, again, we know that 6 6 equals a whole. 6 over 6 equals 1 whole. So, can I take away 1 whole from this? Well, yeah, 6 over 6. So what am I left with? I'm left with 2 6, because 8 minus 6 is 2 6. All right, hopefully this helps you out. If it doesn't, have Mom message me and I will get together with you again and we will figure the rest of it out. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.